happy anniversary. There was that prospectus of 1st of October, 1999, where BlackRock went public, so you're 25 years young.
It's great reading, wasn't it? Yeah, I mean, it's a really good day for us. It's our 25th anniversary. It's our day that we are closing GIP, and right around this time, we're going to have our 30th anniversary here in Germany. So it's a good day. I'm very pleased that our stock performance is up, close to 11,000% over that time. Actually, 20 times greater than the S&P. So
the market has changed so much in that time. And it's amazing. In 25 years, there's a lot more private. There's a lot more credits. You're gone into infrastructure. I'm not going to ask you what the 25 years to come will bring, but what are you most optimistic about in the next 3 years?
Well, I think one of the reasons why our stock has done so well is I think we understood that more and more of the global economy is going to be raising another $10 billion. And then we announced a partnership with Microsoft, NVIDIA, and MGX. We have aspirations of raising $30 billion of equity, and then beyond that, more debt associated when we built out these AI data centers. So to me, this is the dawning of infrastructure. When I look around the world today, I see the inadequacies of infrastructure in almost every country. So we need to be decarbonizing, we need to be digitizing, we need to be moving forward, we need to be building out more and more. And I think this is one of the big issues. As I wrote in an editorial a few months back in the FT, and I spoke at the G7, I spoke about every economy needs to focus on growth. There's too much focus on, should we lower taxes, should we raise taxes? Not enough. How do we stimulate growth? And I think infrastructure is a major component of how we stimulate growth. And we don't, because of the breadth of the capital market, we don't have to rely on federal spending or state spending. There is enough capital in the private sector that will be able to fund these new projects. And so to me, this is the dawning of the new reality that we're going to see broadening of public and private investing for infrastructure.
Is there a worry that it becomes quite political? So there are a couple of projects, Malaysia, Minnesota, that have been politicized. Is there a danger that infrastructure becomes a new ESG?
I see a very different outcome of that. This is helping government build out whether it's infrastructure. The Federal Reserve eases another 100, 150. We'll see. I mean, I think I see more policies by more government that tend to be more inflationary than deflationary. And so with that in mind, it's hard for me to see another 200 basis points of decline in short rates.